Put your hands together for Kamini.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How may I assist you?
Sir, actually, I want to take admission to English course.
Okay. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Great. You're most welcome. Firstly, may I please know what's your good name?
Kamini.
Okay, Kamini. Very right. So, Kamini, may I please know what is your qualification?
7th class.
7. Okay. Now you are in 8th class?
Yes, sir.
Very right. Hindi medium or English medium?
English medium.
English medium. Which school you are studying right now?
Astha Senior Secondary.
Okay, Astha Senior Secondary. It means you are from CBSE or HBSE?
CBS.
CBSE. Astha Senior Secondary School, that is in Milk Sukhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very right. Milk Sukhi. Very right. Okay. So Kamini, what is the level of your English right now? What do you think so? That your grammar level is okay, or do you feel that you are lagging behind somewhere in your grammar level also?
My grammar level is not very okay, but is okay.
Okay. So do you want to take admission in grammar plus English speaking course or direct English speaking course you want to come for?
Grammar plus English.
Grammar plus English speaking course. Okay. Very right. We will definitely teach you grammar plus English speaking course. Okay. And grammar will be taught by our madam. Umesh Arora ma'am will be teaching, who is the wife of Mr. Umesh Arora English Guru. And entire English speaking course will be taught by Mr. Umesh Arora English Guru. You might have listened about him. Mr. Umesh Arora English Guru is having the qualification BA, BCom, MA English, CTE, DCA, ADCA, MPhil English, IELTS and LLB. And he's having the teaching experience over 25 plus years. Right? He's the writer of 13 books and he's working on the 14th book. He is a YouTuber also, he's social media influencer also. He has been awarded with 16 national, international and local awards. And the legacy he has been connected with, that legacy is 50 years old. That is Lakshmi Infotech and Education Point. So he will be himself teaching to you. Umesh Arora English Guru sir will be teaching you himself. We will never appoint any outside faculty and like that.
What is the guarantee that I am able to speak?
Yeah, for like 25 years, students are learning, and he has taught more than 60,000 students. That is the guarantee. Moreover, the thing is that we are not the institute who is sitting and who have opened any of the institute in any rented building. Okay, the legacy is 50 years old. We teach with 100% guarantee, ma'am. Otherwise, money back guarantee, ma'am. Only we are the institute who is providing money back guarantee from the point of view of English speaking course. Otherwise, any other institute all over the world is not providing, ma'am. Yeah, and we have full faith and confidence because our sir, Mr. Umesh Arora English Guru, he has taught 60 to 70,000 students like you. His students are becoming IAS officer, his students are becoming judges, his students are getting the package of 54 lakh rupees at Tesla company, Google company, all over the world, as many as the companies you listen the name. All over the world, as many as the countries you listen the name, his all these students are well settled over there. He has delivered a lecture to more than 7 lakh students within this small span of 25 years. He has covered more than 7 lakh lives over there in different schools and colleges. And we never have any of the open advertisement. Only we teach the students. We make them something. That is the only reason students come over here and they learn the English with flying colors. And as far as the question is concerned about the guarantee part, I would like to tell you, Mr. Umesh Arora English Guru is a good psychologist. He has done invention of some system of formulas, system of rules which are very simple. That is the only reason our students are able to learn English with flying colors. He teaches with scientific and psychological method. He is the only person who is teaching with these methods over there. He is always busy in the research. That's why he teaches with 100% guarantee, ma'am. Yeah. Any other query, please?
What is the fees?
Yes, ma'am. Our fee structure is very nominal. We are charging only 15,000 rupees for 4 months course, and 500 rupees is the registration fees, right? And if you are having any reference, or you are the sister of our any student, or you have brought the coupon, then you will be given flat 30% discount. How did you come to know about our institute, ma'am?
From today.
No. Listen. How did you come to know about my institute?
In my school.
Okay, in your school. Okay, have you attended the lecture of Umesh, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you will be given flat 30% discount. Okay? Yeah. So it will be 4,500 rupees less. Okay, you will have to pay only 10,500 rupees now. Yeah. And we will provide you 3 books written by Umesh Arora English Guru. Okay? The Magic of English, the Grammar Guru, and the Professional English Speaking course. In this manner, we will be providing you 3 books. Plus, right now, special monsoon offer is going on. We are going to provide you free personality development, body language, interview preparation, stress management, emotion management, cosmic energy, time management. In this manner, we are going to provide you approximately 15 more exercises along with this course. Yeah. And if you are converted over there for 1 year diploma course, there will be providing you such type of approximately 45 types of more courses in which individual certificates will also be given to you. We are having very different criteria as compared to all over the world. Any other query coming in?
No, no sir.
Okay. What time will be suitable for you? Would you like to come in the morning batch or evening batch?
In evening.
In the evening. In the evening time, we are having 4 to 5, then we are having 5 to 6, 6 to 7, then 7 to 8. We are having 4 batches. What time will be suitable for you?
5 to 6.
5 to 6. Okay, you can join 5 to 6 batch. Okay. And firstly, we will be teaching you grammar. Once you become well perfect in grammar, then we will shift you to the speaking classes, ma'am. Okay? Yeah. Any other query, please?
No sir.
Okay, then please fill this form. Great. How would you like to make the payment? You would like to pay cash or you would like to make the online payment? If online payment, then scanner is there.
No sir, I would like to pay in cash.
In cash. Okay, yes, you can pay me cash, ma'am. Thank you. And any other query coming in?
No sir.
Okay, so I would like to, today it is already 6:25 approx. Okay, so it's not possible for you to take the class. Okay, so I would like to see you tomorrow in the grammar class. Okay, any other query?
No sir.
Okay, thanks for visiting Umesh Arora English Guru Academy. Please visit again. I would like to see you tomorrow in the classes. Thank you. Thanks for visiting Umesh Arora English Guru Academy.
Thank you.